and welcome to the Regression Analysis for business managers in Python and R. This course will show you how to derive meaningful insights and drive business value by performing regressions. My name is Diogo Rezende and I'll be your instructor. In my day-to-day job, regressions are our bread and crumb. 90% of the problems either start with a regression analysis or end with them. They are the most common statistical and machine learning technique. They should be in everyone's toolkit, and that includes you. Getting started to dive deep in machine learning or statistics is not easy. Moreover, adding programming on top would scare anyone off. Now, I'll warn you that the journey will be difficult and frustrating at times. The course tries to mimic a real-life experience in programming. We'll go together 2 long practice tutorials, and yes, we will make it. We'll go through exciting case studies to implement both linear and logistic regression. The first one is about studying pricing in the real estate industry. The second one is about understanding and predicting customer churn. Additionally, we'll do it in Python and R, so you can get started in the most marketable programming languages. On top, you'll also know where to use regression analysis in your day-to-day job and get ahead in your career. I hope this spiked your interest, so please take a look at the course description and the curriculum for more information. I hope you choose this course to master regression analysis, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing you inside.